Hello student, myself Ajay Gupta and welcome you in physics lecture second. In this lecture we will learn about the physical quantity and some basic concept of this chapter. So your first topic physical quantity. It is a physical property of a material that can be measured. It has two types. That means what is a physical quantity? Physical quantity is a property of any material or matters which can be measured. For example, weight, their mass, and the distance and volume, etc. This can be measured. It's known as the physical quantity. It has two types. First, scalar quantity. It is a physical quantity having only magnitude, not direction. That means, for example, speed, distance, and mass. In this, we measured only the physical quantity or magnitude. Now, second, vector quantity. It is a physical quantity having both magnitude and the direction. For example, velocity, acceleration, displacement. In this, we measured always their direction with their magnitude. Now, distance. The actual path length traveled by an object is called distance. It is a scalar quantity. It always positive and can't be zero. And it's a SI unit, system of international unit is meter. It can be written in small m. Now displacement. The shortest distance between initial position and the final position is called displacement. In this, we measure their direction. For example, if an object travels from a point A to B and after B, they travel any point C. What is the distance? This is 3 meter, this is 2 meter. The total distance will be 3 plus 2, that means 5 meter. But their displacement equal to the shortest distance between A to C. It's maybe 4 or 3, etc. 4 meter. This is an example for understanding the displacement and distance. Now, speed. The distance traveled by a body per unit time. In 1 unit time, the distance traveled by the body. That means 1 second, 1 hour, etc. Speed is their formula. Speed is equal to distance upon time. There are some properties. It is a scalar quantity. It is always be positive. Never can't be it's zero or negative. Its system of SI unit, system of international unit. Its SI unit is meter per second. It's written in this form, m by second, meter per second. Velocity. The displacement traveled by a body per unit time is called velocity. The displacement traveled by. The basic difference, displacement, and in this form definition, distance. So please notice that velocity, the displacement traveled by a body per unit time, is called velocity, denoted by small v. There are some properties. It is a vector quantity first. and you can see it is a scalar quantity, the basic difference. It can be positive and negative and both 0, but it is always positive. The formula: velocity is equal to displacement upon time, and their unit be same, meter per second and meter per second. Their units are same. Some basic formula for using the numerical: average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance upon total time, and average velocity is equal to initial velocity plus final velocity upon 2. It can be written in short: V average velocity average. Average velocity is equal to initial velocity represented by U and final velocity represented by V upon 2. I hope you understand. And one notice: test will be done after complete chapter 1. चैप्टर 1 कंप्लीट होने के बाद आप लोग का टेस्ट होगा. थैंक यू सो मच.